Okay, so what are we going to work out here? Determine the interest rate per annum compounded monthly that would result in an investment doubling in a period over doubling in value over a 7-year period. So kind of definitely two different ways to do this one. I like doing it with X's, but you might prefer to use actual numbers. Let's do it with X's. So let's just look at our formula. A equals P 1 plus I to the N. So if our initial amount that we put in is X, okay, 1 plus, and we'll get to the rest of this formula, and it doubles, what would the accumulated amount be? Well, it would be 2x. But you might also have done it and said, you know what, let's just take an arbitrary amount, we put in 100, 1 plus, and do the rest just now, and so therefore it would be 200 that comes out. I'm going to keep doing it with the x's, and I'll show you how it's going to be the same. So 1 plus compounded monthly. Okay, compounded monthly means we're going over 12. And the investment or the interest rate is what we're trying to find. In 7 years, 12 months in a year, 7 times 12, 84, give or take. Okay, so there's our thing. So how are we going to solve it? Well, we want to get to I. So looks like there's a worry because we got two variables. But let's divide this by x, divide by x. This is the same idea that we did in the others. We divided, it's very confusing without the writing. We divided by 50,000. We divided by 20,000. So let's divide by that so that these cancel. Look at that. Those two also kind of eliminate, cancel. So we got 2 equals 1 plus I over 12 to the 84. Now if you did it with those specific numbers and went, 100 going to 200, you'd divide both sides by 100, divide by 100, goodbye, 2 equals. So it ends up looking the same, no matter which way you do it with x's or actual numbers. And both are fine in this case. I definitely think the X is showing that it works no matter what the initial investment was, but in this case it doesn't matter. Okay, so from there the steps are going to be the same as we've done before. The 84th root we wanted to do on each side, 84th root, okay, so that we've got the 84th root of 2, and on this side we've got the 84th root, so those kind of cancel. So you've got 1 plus I over 12. Now the 84th root, shift 84th root of 2, 1,008. But remember the point is, keep that in the calculator and keep going from there. Okay, so then minus 1, so we got 0,008 equals I over 12 times both sides by 12. Let's show that. Times 12 times 12 minus 1. I'm still on that stage. Times 12. Okay, so 0,099 something other equals I times 100. 9,94. I equals 9,94% per annum compounded monthly. I think it was monthly. Cool. So in that one, these steps are all the same. It was just that initial part. Okay, let's hit the next and final example in the next video.